Hey guys, welcome to tutorial. Good. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Viber files on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now, to delete your Viber files on your iPhone, you'll not be able to do it from the Viber app itself because it might contain a lot of files like PDF files, Excel files, and much more. You will be able to delete the photos you downloaded or the Viber app downloaded on your iPhone from the photo section or the gallery section of your iPhone. With that being said, to delete your Viber files or to wipe out the Viber files from your iPhone, go to the settings of your iPhone like this. And after going to the settings, scroll down and you can see the general option available over here. Tap on general, and over here scroll down, you can spot the iPhone storage just above the background app refresh. Over here, tap on that iPhone storage like this, and after that let's let it load and scroll down, and you'll be able to see all of your installed apps use storage on your iPhone. You can see our Viber app over here. Similarly, navigate to the Viber section of your iPhone storage. Let's go to the Viber, and over here there are two options. You can see guys, there is the offload app and the delete app. We're not deleting app, but we'll be offloading our app. Basically, offloading app will save all of our account credentials on our Viber and wipe out or the delete extra files which was downloaded by the Viber app on our iPhone on the start up to date. With that being said, tap on offload app like this, and again offload app, and the app will be offloaded on a moment's notice. Let's wait for it, and you can see guys, it has been offloaded. Will be required to tap on reinstall app, but by this process our app account has not been wiped out. The Viber account will be still available when you reinstall it, so let's wait for it. But our extra files like cache memories and all of the downloaded files by Viber which are unnecessary will be wiped out from your iPhone. And let's wait for it. You can see guys, the Viber is being downloaded on our iPhone. You can check the status from the App Store over here. Also search for Viber on your App Store, and over here you can see the app is being downloading. Let's wait for it, and let's open it. And by this process guys, all of our extra Viber will be deleted and our account, but we will still be able to account without any hassles by offloading the app only. And guys, this is how you delete your Viber files on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.